You have clicked this video because you want to sound fluent in speaking English, right? It is a dream of so many people. First of all, you need to remember that fluency is completely different from perfection. Okay? If you are able to speak English in a flow without taking too many pauses, then it is called fluency. Then it means that you are fluent in that particular language. Have you ever wondered why are you so fluent in your native language? You are so fluent in your native language. While coming to English, there are so many factors that are stopping you from becoming fluent. In this video, let me give you some tips that work like magic in order to sound fluent. Before that, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new. I am Gowthami. The first tip that would help you to sound fluent is that use only active vocabulary. Yes, each and every person has two types of vocabulary in their brain. One is active vocabulary and second is passive vocabulary. Active vocabulary is something that you feel free. Okay, you enjoy using those words. Your brain is not stressed to use those particular words. Such types of words are called as active vocabulary. And whenever you try to learn any language, you learn a number of words, but you are not going to remember all those words, right? Where are the remaining words going? The remaining words are piling up in your passive brain, passive memory, and those words are called as passive vocabulary. Okay? The problem with passive vocabulary is that you will not be able to recollect them when you want to use them at that correct time. You will feel that yes, I know this word, but why I am not able to recollect it? Why I am not able to recall that particular word? See, this happens. So, what you need to do is that whenever you want to sound fluent in any situation, try to use only the active words. Use the vocabulary that are present in active memory. Okay? This is the first tip. The second tip is that suddenly you have forgot that word and you are not able to recall it how hard you are trying it. Okay? Even in your active memory, you are not able to recall that word. You are not able to find that word. Then what happens is that you will be stuck and you will lose your fluency. So, in that situation, what you need to do is that instead of getting stuck, instead of stopping the whole conversation, start describing that particular object. Okay, for example, you want to ask someone that I left my mobile somewhere and I am not able to find it. Okay, you forgot the name of this object. You can't even forget the name of this object even while sleeping, but for example, I am telling it. So you forgot somewhere. So you can tell that I use that object to make a phone call. Okay, I use that object to call somebody. Right now I need to text, but I'm not able to find that object. Okay, can you help me to find out that object? You can ask. Okay, in this way, instead of struggling hard to get the correct word, try to describe that object or try to describe the situation there. Okay, in this way your fluency will not be prevented and at the same time you will be able to speak in a flow. This is the second thing. The third most important thing is that speak slow to sound fluent. Yes, you take 2 minutes and speak fast. Okay, speak fast on any topic and another 2 minutes speak slow. Okay, this is a live proof that you will express your thoughts more clearly when you speak slow than when you are speaking fast. Yes, I experienced it so many times. Whenever I speak fast, whenever I rush as though someone is chasing me, I lose words. I won't be able to recollect the next sentence that I want to speak. But when I speak slowly, I will have clear idea, and in this way I am giving my brain to take the time it needed in order to produce the next sentence in a fluent manner, right? And not only that, I was able to express my thoughts more clearly when I am speaking slow. Okay, so try this technique. When you speak slow, you will not take too many pauses. Yes, you will get instantly, your brain will create instant sentence structures one after the other when you speak slow. But when you are rushing, when you are speaking so fast, then it is hard for your brain also to frame the next sentence, right? Your brain also needs at least a millisecond time in order to create a new sentence. So try to speak slow. Maintain a pace. Okay? So many people think that speaking fast is fluency. Okay, but no. Speaking fast is entirely different and speaking fluently is entirely different. First, you need to understand it. The next tip I would like to give you is that sometimes it is okay to use filler words. You know filler words, right? When you are about to tell something and you could not find what to tell. You are not able to tell about that particular object, or you are not able to express yourself. Something somewhere you are stuck. Either you are not able to construct a sentence clearly, or you were confused about which tense to use or which words to use. Okay, all these are common. At the time, try to use filler words like basically, actually. Actually, what I wanted to tell is basically, I think this is a correct idea. 100% you need to follow it. I did not give it a thought. Okay, these are some of the phrases, or these are some of the filler words that you can use. But the problem with this is you should not use them regularly. Okay, you need to use them only when you are stuck in a situation. If you take a pause for more than 20 to 30 seconds, then make use of these filler words. There is nothing wrong. Okay, try to learn some filler words like basically, occasionally, actually, of course, huh, it's true, I don't have another opinion. Like this you can learn some filler words and learn some sentences. Okay, or you can simply say that you were asking me about this. Did I get you right? Did I get you right? So you are filling that gap. Instead of staying calm, you are filling that gap. Okay? So try to master some of the filler words that would be handy to you and make use of them only when you need them. Okay? Don't always use those filler words. And another tip I would like to give you is that whenever you are stuck in a situation and not able to speak anything, just take a pause. Okay? Use your gestures, use your facial expressions, and let the other person know that you need some time in order to respond to what they have told you. Okay? It is quite common. Even in native language also, we don't rush, right? When someone told us something or someone asked us something, it is quite common that if we are not in a position to answer, we just take a small break, a small pause, so that we can recollect or we can prepare the answer of what to speak, right? In the same way, use your gestures, or uh, just a minute, like this you can ask them and use that particular small pause to think what to answer. Okay, taking a pause or taking a small break, or letting them know that you need some time to think about the answer or process the thought is not wrong at all. Okay, they will understand. We all are humans, not robots, right? So they will understand that, oh, she needs some time. She needs some time to answer. They will understand. Okay. Finally, in an overall view, what I want to tell all of you is that don't struggle too much while speaking English. Okay, when you have clear thoughts, When you use active vocabulary, when you speak slowly, then you will sound fluent automatically. Okay. So these are the tips I wanted to give you because so many people are asking me how to sound fluent. See, I am an intermediate English speaker. I don't have a lot of vocabulary. I don't use fancy words all the time, right? But some people believe that I speak fluently. It is because I use all these tips, I use all these tricks in all my videos. You can go back and check my videos. I never rush. That is the positive thing. Rushing is not fluency at all. Okay. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you feel that this video is useful to some other persons, please share it and click that like button. See you soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep practicing and keep trying to achieve fluency.